Are you looking for fun activities to do that are Halloween themed? Perhaps you're looking for some fun games to play indoors. Well, today's video is going to help you to do just that. Keep on watching to learn more. Hi, I am Amy Baez, pediatric occupational therapist and founder of Playapy, and I'm here to provide you with some playful solutions and powerful results. I want to do a series of videos that are related to Halloween. Scary. We have some cats and some hats and some webs and some bats, and we have some skulls and jack-o'-lanterns. So let's get started. So people who know me well know that I love bowling. I know it may seem weird, but I practically grew up in a bowling alley. One of the things I love to do with my patients is do Halloween bowling. And basically that means that the pins are Halloween themed. Now, I have a wooden block one that I use a lot, and I bring it out every year, and it's kind of fun for me at least to have this opportunity. But I'm not seeing many of my patients in person right now. So I want to show a way for you all to play Halloween bowling at home, and it may not cost you anything. So I have created some simple sheets that you can print out in black and white, or if you want to color them, you can. And you're just going to simply cut them out. It's going to create strips. You can take these strips and tape them around an empty can of soda. And when you have 6 of them together, you can line them up and start bowling. It's really that simple. All you need is a ball that's going to carry a little bit of weight so that when it knocks those pins, it can knock them over. You want to stack your pins 3, 2, and 1 if you're using 6 pins, but you can always use as many pins as you'd like. If you don't have soda cans, you can maybe try using bottled water, empty bottled water, or if you have a heavy enough ball, you can use bottled water that is still filled. So this activity has 3 things in one. You can color, cut, and work on coordination. One of the things I love about doing bowling activities is that it's great for eye-hand coordination. The child really needs to pay attention to those pins in order to try to hit them accurately. So it's really fun for them, and it provides an instant gratification because you hear the pins knocked down, you see them knocked down. It's just fun to see how many you can knock down. You can take turns as well. You get 2 tries to see if you can knock down all 6 pins. So guys, I know this is a really simple idea, very simple video. I hope you take advantage of it. I think it's a lot of fun, and it's a great way to work on coordination skills. Like I said, bilateral coordination skills, holding the paper and cutting, and holding the paper and coloring, and holding the paper and getting that tape around that can. So it's a really great way to work on some hand skills, and then you get to turn your little activity into a game. Okay, that's it guys. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time. Did you find this video helpful? I hope that you did. If you did, I hope that you will subscribe to this channel, leave a comment down below, like this video, all that good stuff. You can also head over to playapy.com where you can sign up for our newsletter, where you can receive discounts and updates and all kinds of things related to Playapy just once a month. And you can also learn about the PALS handwriting program. So there's plenty for you to learn and many free resources there. Until the next video, I hope you have a playful day.